Hello guys, welcome back to Hunters Prestige. On today's video, we're going to be running you through our future content as well as give you an overview of what's going on with this Defender here.
Hey baby, tell me all your reasons for you leaving. Yeah, I kinda feel betrayed, this feel like treason. You ain't rooting for the home team, it's my season. Switching out the blue now, while I've been greening. Oh, you can stand now, I stand out. I got all these people on me, I'm the man now. Like why you hit that? Hey girl, I made that. So I'ma need some other reasons for the take back. Oh, you gon' need some other reasons. You gon' need some other motherfucking reasons. Crib is like 102. But baby, when you broke the news to me, it fell below 2. Spent the summer with you, baby, but you ain't keep it cool. Yeah, girl, you freezing. Like, what's the reasons? I had high hopes for us, but you made it so plumbing. Now it's tight room walking, but you pushed me to running. Now I slipped off, pissed off. What are you scheming? Like, why you changing your tune? You ain't feel like you did in June.
Right, we just fitted the front and rear black plaque on this car. Obviously, it's quite popular on older vehicles to come in, just get a little bit of a spruce and obviously a colour change for the black packs. This customer's having a 10-piece kit as well as a front and rear bumper pack. Boys have already done the front, they're now doing running the wires for the DRL and also the grille light. We're now putting the mud flaps on the rear, and then I think next we'll probably move on to the door sills.
What's the go-to one?
What's the go-to?
Yeah.
Electronic dance music.
Like who?
Like who? Anyone. Literally anybody. We listen to everything, don't we, Mac? Sometimes Mac likes to play things like Minecraft music. It is really weird like that, but I think it's just because he's young and likes playing Fortnite.
One view with a blue sweet one leaf. To the side, it's still fantastic. If you trick it up, there's a new record it. Trick it up, trick it up, trick it up. One view with a blue sweet one leaf. To the side, it's still fantastic. If you trick it up, there's a new record it. Trick it up, trick it up, trick it up.
So, as the customer's actually spending a lot of money with us, he's not only just changing the exterior of the car and adding a little bit of styling, he wants to add a little bit of practicality to the vehicle. He does actually have dogs, so he's got a dog crate in the back of the boot. So the dogs will actually be getting in and out of the vehicle quite regularly. Obviously, we have just changed the front and rear bumpers to be gloss black. So we're going to actually be putting a V2 checker plate, scratch plate on the back. That'll add a little bit of protection when the dogs come in and out of the boot. Obviously, brand new paint, doesn't want to scratch it, it wants to keep it as clean as possible. So this actually covers the whole of the rear boot, just adds a little bit of practicality. So I don't think we've actually introduced Mac yet. Mac is one of our young apprentices. He's only been with us for about 3 months now. He's very experienced working on cars, but also apparently very experienced in whinging.
What did you say?
Nothing, mate, nothing, don't worry.
With a blue sweet one leaf. To the side, it's still fantastic. Trick it up, there's a new record. Trick it up, trick it up, trick it up. One view with a blue sweet one leaf. To the side, it's still fantastic. If you trick it up, there's a new record. Trick it up, trick it up, trick it up. With the blue sweet, it's still fantastic.
Right, so the front and rear bumpers are done, rear mud flaps are on. We're now in the process of changing the bottoms of the door cards. So we're changing them all to gloss black. We've done the rear 2 already. That side is now done. We're just doing this side, so it's not a lot left to do. And then we've got the extended arches to go on as well. And then this car's basically done. We started the car probably about 9 o'clock this morning. Customer turned up pretty early. He was here literally at 8:30 when he turned up. So we managed to crack on the car straight away. Boys are pretty revved up. They've been cracking on with it all morning. I would say we're probably gonna have this car done probably about 3 o'clock to confirm. Obviously, the arches take a while for us to do. We don't rush when it comes to arches. We take our time. We follow the same process every single time. So I'm hoping it'll be done about 3 o'clock, which means it's been here for what, 6 hours? So quick turnaround for a full black pack, including arches and all door panels as well. So all of the door seals are on. The 6-piece 110 arch kit has just been put on the car. We left it to cure over lunch. The guys are now just doing the finishing touches on this build. They're now putting the front DRL on, which is a front bumper with integrated DRLs. And then this build is basically done. I'm just going to polish up all the gloss black that we put on this car, ready for the customer to pick up this afternoon.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence, then let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, I to stay on the go. I can play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me. They not double up again, none of their nose, none of them cold. They just got lucky but never adapted, so I'm to the one if it's coming to blows. My enemies cutting it close, I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before we ever spoke, I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.
So there you go guys, this build is now complete. We actually turned this vehicle over in quite a good time. It only took us about 6 hours. A lot of customers always ask us how long our builds actually take. And from this video you can see we've transformed this vehicle in a short amount of time. You don't always have to drop your vehicle off and pick it up in a couple of days. We're not Land Rover. You can actually turn around vehicles within the same day. So let's go do a little walk around of what we did on this car to transform it and also what the customer spec'd it up as. So when this customer actually brought this vehicle to us, he had quite a few accessories and a little bit of customization already done to the car, which we actually really like. So the first thing he did was actually wrap the bonnet. Going through the car, he also changed the wheels, 22-inch wheels on there, and he's actually had the calipers sprayed in quite a unique colour. We get all the different colours of the Land Rover standard ones, so we get the blue, the red and the orange Brembos, so it's quite nice to see a different colour. It matches the Eiger grey of the car really nice, and the accents work really well. Customer also had Union Jack side steps already fitted on the vehicle, and a V4 pod light, as well as rails, and also a rear spoiler. So starting from the rear and how we've transformed this vehicle, we fitted the Land Rover genuine long classic mud flaps. We've also gone for our diesel exhaust tips. We've added the V2 smoked reverse lights, which have the sweep indicator, as well as the brake and obviously the reverse function. Not only that, we've added the V2 checker plate strip, like I mentioned previously. The customer does have dogs, so it's quite handy to cover up that brand new gloss black rear bumper, which we've also changed on this vehicle. From the side, we've changed the wheel arches. The customer's actually opted in for the gloss black wide extensions. And obviously you can see we've changed the side door panels as well to be gloss black, just to match the wheel arches as well as the front and rear bumper. The customer also already had the version 4 pod light fitted to the vehicle, so we thought it was only right to give them the full 100 Prestige light package in the form of our side vents, which have the LED integrated Hunter's badge on there. Not only that, we've added the 2-strobe LED grille light with our signature front bumper with integrated DRLs, and just to finish it off with the cherry on top, we've added our V2 bonnet inserts, which are currently out of stock, but don't worry guys, we'll be replenishing our stock shortly. So that's the end of this build guys. It's a simple yet very effective way to transform the look of your vehicle by just changing the front and rear bumpers into gloss black and changing all the accents just to match it. We get a lot of gloss black cars in, so it's quite nice to get Eiger grey vehicles in with a colour contrast of gloss black as well. We plan to do a lot more videos. You guys may have missed our recent live, which we plan to do quite regularly now. So let us know in the comment section below guys what you'd like to see from our lives. If you've got any questions, feel free to enter those lives and drop in the comment section below. We'll be doing it like a Q&A section. We'll also be talking a lot more about our V8 and our plans within the Odyssey build. So if you guys have any questions or any suggestions of what you think we should actually be doing to our V8, drop in the comment section below or join our lives. A lot of people may have seen we were running a mystery build competition, which we actually released the winner of that on our recent live that we've done. So congratulations Martin. We've actually been in contact with Martin and we're in the stages now of actually planning to get the vehicle in, planning what we're going to be doing to that vehicle, and finding a little bit more about Martin and what he likes to do with his vehicle. So stay tuned on our socials guys, make sure you subscribe because it's not the only competition we're going to be running, and we're also going to be doing a lot more promotions in the future. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe and hit that bell notification and stay up to date with what we're doing here at Hunters. See you next time.
Yo!
fitted on his vehicle, so we thought it was only right to add the full Hunter's exhaust system. Fucking get out of here, stick.
Ready?
Grr. I'm holding the Defender. So that's the end of this build. So it's a simple,